The Actor's Notebook is a tool that I invented, which is a spiral notebook which holds your dreams and your ambitions. And what you do is when you work through the tools of awakening the actor within, you write down all the answers to the questions in the book and the task. And what that does is it actually gives you a written trail of your career. And one of the tasks in the book that I really find beneficial, if actors only do this one tool, it will help them immensely. It's what I call the weekly check-in. And what you do is each week you write down in your notebook the things that have frustrated you, the things that you accomplished, and the what I call synchronicities that have happened in your career, the things that have gone right. And by seeing that written proof, it keeps actors on track. And so that way they build up this body of physical proof of working on their career. So it's not nebulous anymore. It's written, specific actions taken towards their career. And they will see when they compile these notebooks that something happened to help them in their career.